Welcome to my channel Mathematical Clinic of Subash. Today we are in the 10th lecture of limits and continuity. Here we are going to discuss some more limit problem of trigonometrical function. The first question is limit x tends to y 10x minus 10y divided by x minus y. Let us consider what happens when you substitute x equal to y. If you substitute x equal to y here, it becomes 10y minus 10y is 0 by y minus y is 0. So this function takes the form 0 upon 0 when x equal to y. So as I had told you, if trigonometrical function takes the form 0 upon 0, then to find its limit there are two methods. Either you will have to make one factor x minus y so that x minus y will be cancelled and we will get the answer. Otherwise you will have to convert it in the form of product of either sine or tan, and can apply the formula sine theta by theta or tan theta by theta equal to 1 to get the answer of this question. This one is the second type of numerical. Here limit x tends to y as it is. We are going to simply replace 10x by sin x divided by cos x. We know that 10x is sin x by cos x. By the same formula 10y becomes how much? Sin y divided by cos y by x minus y as it is. This one limit x tends to y as it is. We are going to take LCM. What will be the LCM? LCM will be cos x into cos y. Then you are left with sin x into how much? Cos y minus cos x into sin y. Cos x into sin y. This whole divided by x minus y can be written as x minus y here. This is limit x approaches to y as it is. This is sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. That is the formula of sin a minus b. Sin a is x there and b is y, a minus b. I am going to write x minus y together with it so that we can apply the formula sin theta by theta equal to 1, and remaining 1 by cos x into cos y separately. By the formula sin theta by theta equal to 1, this one is 1, and if you substitute x equal to y here, it becomes 1 by cos y into cos y. So the result becomes 1 into 1 is 1 by cos square y, and this is sec square y. That's the answer. Move to the next question 1. This one is very important question as well. This is 10x minus sin x divided by x cube. Again, if you substitute x equal to 0, tan 0 is 0, sin 0 is 0, and this one is 0. So the result becomes 0 upon 0. This is also a trigonometrical function taking the form 0 upon 0. We are going to apply same technique here also. Going to replace 10x by sin x by cos x minus sin x as it is divided by x cube as it is. Now we are going to take LCM in the numerator. What will be the LCM? It is cosine x. Then you will be left with sin x minus sin x into how much? Cosine x, and divided by x you can be written here. What can you take common from both of them? Both of them means both of these terms. Sin x can be taken common. Then you will be left with how much? Here 1 and here how much? Cosine x. I am going to write one of the x from there on the denominator of sin x, and remaining x square into cos x here. We have done that so that we can apply the formula sin theta by theta equal to 1. This is limit x approaches to 0, sin x by x as it is. By the formula of trigonometry, what is 1 minus cos x? It is 2 sin square x by 2 by x square with it, and remaining 1 upon cos x separately. This is limit x approaches to 0 as it is, sin x by x as it is, this 2 as it is. Can this be written as sin x by 2 upon x whole square? You can. And this one 1 upon cos x as it is. I am going to make here also sin theta by theta. For that one you are lacking with 2 here, because theta is x upon 2 here. If you multiply by 1 upon 2 in the denominator to balance it, multiply numerator by 1 upon 2 as well. Now substitute x equal to 0 everywhere. This becomes sin theta by theta equal to 1. This one 2 as it is. This one sin theta by theta equal to 1. 1 upon 2 as it is. Whole square as it is. 1 by, if you substitute x equal to 0, then cos 0 is how much? 1. So it is 2 multiply 1 upon 4. It is 1 upon 2. That's the answer. Move to the last question. The question is, limit x tends to theta, x tan theta minus theta tan x divided by x minus theta. Again, if you substitute x equal to theta here, it becomes theta tan theta minus theta tan theta 0 upon theta minus theta 0. It means this one is also a trigonometrical function taking the form 0 upon 0. To find its limit, there is a technique. This one is the typical problem. You must remember the technique. The technique one is x tends to theta as it is. This x minus theta as it is. Even this x tan theta as it is. Minus theta tan x as it is. Everything as it is. Nothing change have been made until now. Now we are going to subtract the same thing and something and to balance that we add also that thing. What thing to be subtracted? That is to be remembered. Just consider here. Just consider the first term. What happens when you substitute x equal to theta here? If you substitute x equal to theta in first term, it becomes how much? Theta tan theta. That must be subtracted. Theta tan theta must be subtracted, and to balance it, because you have subtracted, to balance it you have to add something, theta tan theta. That's the technique you have to remember. Now limit x approaches to theta as it is. What can you take common from first and second term? You can take tan theta common. If you take tan theta common from first and second, then what are you left with? Here you will be left with x and here theta. Plus what can be taken common from next two terms? Theta can be taken common from next two terms, and you will be left with how much? Tan theta minus tan x divided by x minus theta can be written here as well as here. Now the difficult thing one, we have separated because here x minus theta can be cancelled. Now we are going to apply limit to both the terms. Here no x, so limit not to be written, it is tan theta. Plus here we are going to apply limit x tends to theta, cause this theta is constant, can be kept out of limit, and you are left with tan theta minus tan x divided by x minus theta. This one is tan theta as it is plus theta as it is. Limit x tends to theta as it is. Here tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, and here tan x can be written as sin x divided by cos x by x minus theta as it is. This one tan theta as it is plus theta as it is. This one is the theta. Limit x tends to theta as it is. We are going to take LCM here. LCM will be cos theta into cos x. So you will be left with sin theta into cos x minus cos theta into sin x in the numerator, and this x minus theta can be written here. This is tan theta as it is, theta as it is, limit x tends to theta as it is. This is the formula sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. That can be written as sin a minus b. A is theta, b is x. Because it is theta minus x, we are wishing to make this also theta minus x. To do so, we will have to take common minus from both the term. If you take minus common, then this plus becomes minus, and here we will be left with theta minus x. So what are you remaining with? It is we are remaining with, you are left with 1 upon cos theta into cos x. This is tan theta as it is minus theta as it is. This one is 1 now, and if you substitute x equal to theta here, it becomes 1 upon cos theta into cos theta. This is tan theta as it is minus theta as it is. 1 by cos square theta becomes how much? Sec square theta.